Hello friends. My name is DC Bhardwaj and you are watching my YouTube channel KPI Tech. तो दोस्तों आज के सेशन में मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ how to install Jenkins and what is the continuous integration and process and type of tools for the continuous integration, source control and build testing automation and testing framework. And Jenkins release type. What is the Jenkins release type and Jenkins hardware and software minimum requirements, as well how to install Jenkins on Windows and Linux as well. But in this session, I will cover only to Jenkins install on Windows only. And the same steps we need to follow on the Linux as well. But yes, in this topic, we will cover only for the Windows only. Okay. And after that, we will define how to create a job, pipelines, job. Like, it means how to create a task under Jenkins for different process and integration, as well integration GitHub, Selenium, and other tools for that. So in this topic, we will covered in these contains in two parts. One is basic ideas, and these are only for beginner, not for the expert. Beginner and the basic setups, how to create and set up another environment. So first, we'll explain about the Jenkins integration tools and pre-requirements, and then next part we will cover the live demo for Windows, how to install and create and parts other. Okay, so first I would like to tell you what is a Jenkins. Jenkins is a most popular open source continuous integration tool. It has tons of plugins that enhance its functionality, as it is a self-contained open source automation server which can be used to automate all sorts of tasks related to building testing and delivery of the developer and deploying softwares. Okay, and I'm talking about the next is a continuous integration. What is a continuous integration? Continuous integration is a software development method where member of the team can integrate their work at least one day. Okay, and after that, and like how what is the process to integration? So these are a process. Like here is a developer is committing the code and that's submit in GitHub, and then after that GitHub and the build tester will the test and this sent to the Jenkins server. That is also called the CI, continuous integration process. After that, build failed, then team notification, and then again our developer fix that issues and submit again. And after that is goes to for the production, because earlier there was different kind of methods. So that is the latest, and right now the every developer or every organization is using this kind of methodology uh, to commit the code on same day and same work. So this is the process. A developer then submit the code after commit, and then it submit on the GitHub. And GitHub is a web-based hosting server for developer test and repository. Okay. So after that, next topic comes to, and next topic is integration source control with this, and then Jenkins types of framework. These are type of tools which is used for the integration, controls, and source control, build tools, and automation testing framework as well. So this topic like continuous integration. If I'm talking the continuous integration, so continuous integration now is a popular tool is Jenkins. Then after TeamCity, Bombo, GitLab, these are a continuous integration tool. As of now, the every developer or software company is using these kind of tools. And Cipran like a source control tool also. Just SVN, we can manage the source control like what we have changed in last time also. Like Git, that is also in the cloud available. Perforce is also better. Is the famous tools right now. Clear Cache and other tools also. This is used for the source control tools. And after that, build tools like build tools kind of AWT, Gridley, and others kind of tools which you use for the build tools. And after that, automation testing framework. So I think most of the company working either Selenium framework, yeah, UFT or yeah, APMs. These are testing framework tools, and then after we will cover like release type, Jenkins release cover. Right. So Jenkins has two type of release version based on the organization needs. One is a long-term support release, and other is a weekly release. Okay. Long-term release, like we can also say like LT as long-term support. Release are chosen every 12 weeks from the stream of regular release as a stable release or for that time. And other is a weekly. Weekly is a new release, is a product weekly to deliver bug fixes and future to user and plugin developers. Okay, and after that we will cover like minimum hardware requirement. What is a Jenkins our minimum hardware requirement? So if we are considering like Jenkins, so we need minimum 256 MB of RAM in your computer or laptop to install Jenkins, and you need to at least 1 GB of space of hard drive for Jenkins. After that, if you are looking for the software prospect, so Jenkins run on Java, and you need either latest version of Java Developer Kit, JDK, or JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So these are a minimum hardware or software requirement. After that, we will cover how to install Jenkins server on Windows, right? So Jenkins may be installed either Windows or Linux platform, but yes, we will focus on Windows installation only. And then we can go for the like Jenkins online sites where we can download the platform as per your requirement. So we are focusing here Windows, so that we will go for the Windows. And so next steps like how to install it, and what is the premium like step by step we will help you to install Jenkins on Windows, but that part we will cover on next session. So thanks for watching this session.